Yesterday, Congress Election Committee had met, you know that. Now, Central Election Committee of Congress has selected 39 candidates, first list of the candidates. We are announcing 39 candidates today, in which included former Congress President Rahul Gandhi's name is there. Former Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Bagelji's name is there. Former CWC member Tamaruddin Sahu is there. That I will leave it out. In this list, out of 39, "15 people are from general category and 34 candidates from SC, ST, OBC minorities. 24. 15 from general category, 24 out of 39 from SC, ST, OBC and minority. 12 people are below 50 years age, under 50 years age. 8 people are between 15 and 60. 61 and 70, 12 people are there. 71 to 76, 7 people are there. This is the age status. 71 to 76. Now I am reading out the names. Chhattisgarh, Jankir Champa SC, Dr. Shivkumar Daharia. Chhattisgarh State, Korba, Mrs. Jyotsna Mahant. Chhattisgarh 6, Rajnandgarh, Bhupesh Baghel. Chhattisgarh Durg, Rajendra Sahu. Chhattisgarh Raipur, Vikas Upadhyaya. Chhattisgarh Mahasamud, Tamaruddin Sahu. Tamaruddin Sahu. Karnataka, Bijapur SC, HR Algor. Karnataka Haveri, Anandaswamy Gaddevara Math. Anandaswamy Gaddevara Math. Karnataka Tumkur, SP Muddana Megowda. Karnataka Mandya, Venkat Ramegowda, Star Chandru. Karnataka Bangalore Rural, DK Suresh. Shimoga, Srimati Geeta Shivraj Kumar. Hassan, Shreyas Patel. Then Kerala, Kasargod, Rajmohan Unnitan. Kannur, K. Suthagaran. Badagara, Shafi Parambil. Wayanad, former Congress President Sri Rahul Gandhi. Kozhikode, Sri M.K. Raghavan. Palakkad, Sri V.K. Srikantan. Alathur, Mrs. Ramya Haridas. Miss Ramya Haridas. Thrissur, K. Muralidharan. Chalakudi, Binni Bahanan. Ernakulam, Haibi Eden. Idukki, Dean Kuriakose. Alapura, Sri K.C. Venugopal. Mavelikara, Kodikundal Suresh. Pathanamthitta, Anto Anthony. Attingal, Adur Prakash. Thiruvananthapuram, Dr. Shashi Tharoor. Lakshadweep, Muhammad Hamdullah Said. Shillong, Meghalaya, Vincent H. Pala. Meghalaya Tora ST, Saleng A. Sangma. Nagaland, S. Supong Meran Jamir. Sikkim, Gopal Chetri. Telangana Sahirabad, Suresh Kumar Shatkar. Telangana Nalgonda, Raghuvir Kundru. Telangana Mahbub Nagar, Chella Vamshachandra Reddy. Telangana Mahbub ST, Belram Naik Porika. Tripura West, Ashish Kumar Sahe. This is the 39 names.